BRIDG is a public-private partnership focused on the manufacturing development of advanced sensors and other microelectronic devices.
While BRIDG in of itself does not serve as an incubator, it serves as a resource for individuals as well as very small startup companies who may be in the incubation stage of their business or their ideas or their patents to have access to millions of dollars worth of equipment to test their ideas and prototype their ideas, which may not ever come to fruition or ever see the light of day were it not for a facility such as BRIDG.
BRIDG is a catalyst for economic development within Florida and Central Florida. In that regard, science, technology, engineering, math plays a key role not only for what BRIDG's workforce needs are, but what also will be the workforce needs in Neo City. There will be other companies that will want to take advantage of the proximity of BRIDG and potentially build their facilities for either microelectronics device fabrication or for system design or for software development. All of those types of companies will need skills that are based in STEM education. BRIDG is taking a very active role in workforce development and encouraging STEM education both in the K through 12 as well as through community colleges or state colleges like Valencia College, as well as into the bachelor's and advanced degrees. We are active in both encouraging younger students especially to pursue STEM careers, and we're investing in things such as Neo City Academy in terms of our resources and time in the classroom to help grow the future workforce needs in this region.
Fortunately, with BRIDG coming to Osceola County, it brings a different specter to this region of developing the new sensors and semiconductors that will be part of the drivers of the Internet of Things as we move forward. Companies like BRIDG are going to be the enablers for development of these devices by many different smaller companies that cannot afford the infrastructure to put all this together and test their ideas and prototype their ideas and do low-run manufacturing.
With regard to workforce development, BRIDG has also initiated student programs. BRIDG is engaging with UCF and other state universities in many ways. Specifically with the University of Central Florida, we are engaging with their faculty on research projects so they can be involved in the projects that BRIDG works with industry. In the same breath, we are also providing infrastructure that UCF researchers could take advantage of on projects that they may have through other sources.
The beautiful thing that we have with BRIDG right here, which is kind of a subliminal benefit to the community, is it's opening up the eyes of children to different careers in the STEM field. Things that when I grew up, quite frankly, I never even knew existed as far as careers. We're opening our doors through SemiU in the summer that brings in teachers, that brings in students to start seeing the things that we're doing, the things that high-tech industries are doing, to really start showing them different avenues they have for a career as they go through high school, determine whether they want to be a technician on the technical side of running equipment, they want to be an engineer who's designing the prototypes that come out of here, or want to be PhDs who are working at the very high ends of gases and metals and silicone to see how to continue to make manufacturers faster, smaller, and lighter, and generating less heat than they do today.